Hi friends, I'm Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to my craft room. I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be setting up memberships to Crafting and Relaxing. There will still be free subscriber accounts, so if you don't have an account, be sure to set one up on YouTube with your name, and then you can leave comments and give thumbs up. But this will be actual memberships, and I think I'll use this to do live videos so we can keep out the people who aren't really crafters and shouldn't be there. And I'll use it to make videos where maybe I'm going to show different parts of my house. I have a video on the membership side that shows my kitchen and my garage, and maybe I don't want the whole world to come into my house, just my crafty friends. I also want to use it for, I'll ask you, like, what do you want to see? What would you like to see more of? I can do polls with it. And I'm thinking about doing some crafty sessions. Like maybe I'll choose a member and we'll do an Instagram or a Google or a Zoom, some hangout time, small groups, one-on-one. I think that would be fun. YouTube lives don't let us chat back and forth. So if membership sounds good to you, go ahead and sign up. If it is not something you want to do, no problem. I'll still have videos on the free side and we'll have fun on both. And the membership videos won't have commercials. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.